What's up guys, today we're going to be installing a TM Designworks sliding guide kit on this new Honda. What's up guys, today we're going to be putting a range of parts on this new Honda. This install should only take a few minutes with no special tools required. Most off-road bikes don't come equipped with the proper equipment to attack the terrain, but TM Designworks has you covered.
The sliding guide kit was developed for endurocross, supercross, motocross, and off-road, allowing it to be suitable for all types of riding. The front chain slider incorporates sound dampening pads to reduce chain slap noise. Additional material and design shape increases performance and durability. Our power lip roller reduces chain drag and skid plate wear. The factory edition No. 2 rear chain guide has a replaceable wear pad allowing for easy replacement, friction reducing additives, and UV protection to eliminate color fade, allowing it to look better longer. Used by championship winning race teams worldwide and made in the USA.
This bike is now ready for the long run and anything we throw at it. Check out our website and other social media platforms to stay updated.